Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get extra gold bars in Candy Crush Saga. Gold bars are the premium currency in the game, allowing you to enhance your gameplay experience significantly. They are incredibly useful for overcoming challenging levels, ensuring you can continue your sweet adventure without interruption. Knowing how to acquire them is key to mastering the game and progressing through its many stages. The primary and most reliable way to get gold bars is by purchasing them directly within the game's shop using real money. However, you can also earn them through dedicated gameplay. Participate in episode races, where finishing in the top 3 can reward you with gold bars. Additionally, keep an eye out for special in-game events and challenges, as these often offer gold bars as prizes. Don't forget to spin the daily treat machine for a chance at free rewards, including gold bars. Once you have gold bars, using them strategically is crucial. They are best spent on extra moves when you are just a few steps away from completing a difficult level, turning a loss into a victory. You can also purchase powerful boosters, such as color bombs or lollipop hammers, to clear tricky obstacles. Furthermore, gold bars allow you to instantly refill your lives, ensuring uninterrupted gameplay and more opportunities to conquer levels. To manage your gold bars smartly, always look for in-game promotions and limited-time offers that provide bonus gold bars or discounts on purchases. Actively participate in all official game events and challenges, as these are excellent opportunities to earn gold bars without spending money. Remember, only acquire gold bars through legitimate in-game channels or official purchases to ensure the security and integrity of your Candy Crush Saga account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.